So you guys ready?
Okay.
So now you can see the correct numbers of each pieces, right?
Yep.
So feel free.
I'm supposed to get 2 of these
Yes.
pieces?
You did the test. Yes.
Yeah, and put them into...
Yeah. Can you see the arrows to
Yeah,
indicate the
this
correct
one?
position? Yes.
Perfect.
Okay. And I got next. Put 1 second the dot on the next button. You can see the next position
so
and
4 of
quantity.
these.
Yes.
Very cool. And then put them into this box right here.
Yeah.
Perfect.
Next.
But there's no, it doesn't do a correct check if I'm actually putting the right amount of pieces, right? I can technically cheat it by putting like 2 pieces here, if this has 3.
Exactly, for no mistakes on that, because you need exactly the position.
Yeah. So this one is just meant for, instructional text.
Yes, it's a simple example of the power of you can do this, but make a point to understand how you can use in this.
Yeah, I can still see value in this in manufacturing sense. Yeah, very cool. So then this goes 1 in here and 1 in here. All steps are complete.
Oh, okay, nice. You're a fast man.
Yeah.